Okay, let's look at Firebase. I am now going to open Firebase. No. Yes. Okay. Console. And I'm going to create a new project. And let's call this links. Continue. Enable. I don't need that for now. Creating your project. Provisioning resources. Finishing up. Come on. Continue. Now let's create a web app. So I'm going to call this app links. Links. Maybe I'll just call this 1.0. And we're going to host it to Firebase as well. So register app. Copy and paste these scripts at the bottom of your body tag. Okay. Copy. Bottom of the body tag. Paste. That is done. Next, Npm Installs. I already have this, but still, I'm just going to show it to you. So we're going to install. If it's already there, maybe it's updating. So let's see. Yes. And the next step is I'm going to do Firebase login and then initialize and deploy. So but before that, what I need to do is I need to take all of this and I need to add it into a public folder. Public. All of it. Go inside. Public. Done. And now is it? Oh yeah. Now you see, since I changed the directory, it just shows deleted here and there and everywhere. So I'm going to take this and just drop it here. Yep. Now we have it. So I'm just going to push WhatsApp and push live. So I'm going to close this. Yeah, the same thing. So I am going to do a lot of things in life, in the future. Haha. Okay, now we have this. Let's continue following the instructions. What happened? Yeah, so we were at, where were we? Oh boy, what happened? No. Oh, yes. Okay. Yep. On a terminal, and let me do that. Firebase login, and since I think I've already logged in previously, it's going to show me that I've already logged in. Yes. Then Firebase init. Now let's initialize it. Now what do we want? Honestly, I don't know what 90% of this even means. All I know is I just want to host it. Hosting. And real-time database, what do I want it? What is real-time database? Optional. Firestore, set up local emulators. I remember enabling this in the past, so I'm just gonna use both. So use existing project. Yes, we already created links. Do you want to use as, what do you want to use as a public directory? The default one. So I'm just going to press enter. Configure single page app. Rewrite all URLs to index. No. Set up automatic builds. The default one. Index already exists. Override index.html. Yes. Authentication emulator. Huh. Is this? No, I just need the hosting one. Enter. Which port do you want to use? Default. Enter. Default. Enter. Default. Enter. Default. Enter. So now we have this. Wait, what did override index.html? What? Let me. Okay, index.html is intact. Perfect. Now I just need to do Firebase deploy. Firebase deploy. Boom, boom, chicky, chicky, boom, boom, chicky. Boom. What? Must apply perfect. One rewrite or one rewrite or redirecting each. I messed up. Let me show hidden files. Wow, okay, I know what I did. Select this, select this, select this. Select this. So whatever Firebase added, I'm going to delete that. And let's restart. So what went wrong is, I think it is because I am doing it from inside public. Let me go back to the main one and I'm going to repeat the steps again. This is already done. Come here. Actually, here. Okay. Enter. Okay. Done. Now the next step is Firebase login. Already logged in. Firebase initialize. Just hosting and actually I'm just going to do hosting. Use an existing as links. What do you want to use as a public? Public, configure just default. Set up automatic builds, default. Public index.html. Overwrite it. This time I'm going to do no. And enter. Okay, now let's see Firebase deploy. Is it deploying? Is it going to be successful? Yes! Okay, so the issue was, instead of running the commands from the main directory, I was running from the public directory. Now let's unhide all the hidden folders. Yes. And now this is the link to our project. No. Oh, this one. This is the link to our project. Yes, it's already hosting. Haha, there we go. Now I am going to take this and add it to my existing website. So this is, I'll show you my existing website. Just refresh. I think it is this one. Yes, okay. So what I am going to do is undo everything. This is just me showing you how I host it as a standalone web application. Now I'm going to undo all of this. So all of these things, just delete. For delete assets, now I'm going to take this and let me go to my existing website. Okay, so I have yeah, so Firebase, GitHub projects, portfolio, yeah, so this is it. Now what I'm going to do is, what am I going to do? I don't know. Hide all of that. You come back here. So what I need is, I need to take this and put it, I already have this. Now I need this, and this is the directory it's supposed to be in. How do I do that? I am going to test something out. Okay, I figured something out. So this is my portfolio. Inside this is all of it. Now what I need to do is links. All of this goes in this. So I'm going to copy. So what are the main things I need? I need global CSS. I need main.css. Actually, I'm just going to copy this whole thing. And let me test something out. Let me go to this. Now since I copy pasted all of that, I'm just going to do this and check out my, so this is my website. Now I need to go /links. Do we have it? Do we have it? Do we have it? Yes. So something's missing. What did I miss? What did I miss? So let me just open the main hosting URL. And let me check it out over here. Oh no, not this. Refresh. What's missing? I think I missed. Oh, yes. Go back. The links. Great. This is what I'm. This is what I missed. Deploy. Oh, force refresh. Yes. And now what I could do is go to Instagram. I have these things. Yes, there we go. And I'm going to update this buttons later. And I'm going to add links to it. And all these buttons are going to be inside an A tag. And that link is going to redirect just like these buttons. So, yep, now we're done. We're done. Okay. Ta-da!